Good evening, all of you from Ashok Bhardwaj. Welcome to again new vocab class. Student, in this vocab class, I brought for you some most important new vocabulary words. So, student, it's my polite request to all of you: use English words daily. Don't feel shy. Don't care people what say. So, it's my polite request to all of you. If you will work hard, you will learn English definitely. It's my promise with you. So let us start. Now look at today's most important vocabulary words. Ancestor, पूर्वज, ANCESTORS, ancestor, पूर्वज. Moves on to the next word. Accessional, ESSENTIAL, accessional, आवश्यक, ESSENTIAL, accessional, आवश्यक. Generation mean PD, GENERATIONS, generation mean PD, GENERATIONS, generation mean PD. Isn't that so? Moves on to the next words. 4. Represent, प्रतिनिधित्व करना, REPRESENT, represent, प्रतिनिधित्व करना. Number 5. INSTRUCTION, instruction mean शिक्षा, INSTRUCTION, instruction, शिक्षा, INSTRUCTIONS. Clear? Next words. 6. Ancient, प्राचीन, ANCIENT, ancient mean प्राचीन. Moves on to the next words. Culture, CULTURE, culture mean संस्कृति, CULTURE, culture mean संस्कृति. Number 8. Necessity, 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 आवश्यकता, NECESSITY, necessity mean आवश्यकता. Number 9. Advertise, विज्ञापन देना, ADVERTISE, advertisement, विज्ञापन देना. Number 10. SUITABLE, suitable, उपयुक्त, SUITABLE, suitable, उपयुक्त. Next words. Bachelor, 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 अविवाहित पुरुष, BACHELOR, bachelor, अविवाहित पुरुष. Clear? Moves on to the next word. Forecast mean भाई भविष्यवाणी. भविष्यवाणी. फोरकास्ट क्या होता है भाई? भविष्यवाणी. FORECAST, फोरकास्ट, भविष्यवाणी. नेक्स्ट वर्ड्स नंबर 13. वॉचडॉग, रखवाली करने वाला, WATCHDOG, वॉचडॉग, रखवाली करने वाला. नंबर 14. ओपिनियन, OPINION, ओपिनियन, राय, OPINION, ओपिनियन मीन राय. Number 15 and last words of today's new vocab class, and after that this class will be finished. Last word, 15 words. Move on to the number 15 words. Basic, आधारभूत, BASIC, basic, आधारभूत. So student, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Please write down your view in comment box. How did you like today's class? Thanks for this cooperation. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय हरियाणा.